Now we will solve one more problem on marginal costing technique. So in this question we have to calculate PV ratio and sales required to earn a profit of rupees 3 lakhs. So you can see in question 2 years sales are given, turnover means sales. So 2 years sales are given and profits are given. Okay, and we have to calculate, first of all we have to calculate PV ratio. So now we will calculate PV ratio. Solution, PV ratio. So to calculate PV ratio there are three formulas. But if in question 2 years sales and 2 years profit is given, then always you have to apply this formula to calculate PV ratio, that is change in profits divided by change in sales into 100. Apply this formula. Okay, so now we will see the change in profits. So to calculate change in profits, you need to do second period's profit minus first period profits. When you will do second period's profit minus first period's profit, you will get change in profits. And similarly for change in sales, you have to subtract second period's turnover with first period's turnover. Okay, so now we will do that. So second period's profit is 1,40,000. Remember that you have to do always second period minus first period. If you will do first period minus second period, then your answer will be wrong. So second period profit minus first period's profit, and for change in sales, second period's profit minus second period sales minus first period sales. So 12 lakhs minus 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs minus 10 lakhs into 100. Okay, solve it. 1,40,000 minus 1 lakh rupees 40,000. 12 lakh minus 10 lakhs, you will get rupees 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs into 100. So the 20%. So 20% is PV ratio. As I told you, if PV ratio is 20%, it means the remaining 80% will be variable cost. The 20% is your fixed cost plus profit. Now this is how we calculated PV ratio. Next, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate sales required to earn a profit of rupees 3 lakhs. Okay, second we have to calculate sales required to earn a profit of rupees 3 lakhs. So we have to calculate desired sales. Okay, so as I told you, whatever you have to calculate, first of all write down the formula of that. So to calculate desired sales or desired for profit, the formula is this PV ratio formula you have to apply to calculate desired profit and desired sales. So PV ratio is equals to contribution divided by sales, and always you have to take contribution is equals to fixed cost plus profit. So there are two formula to calculate contribution: sales minus variable cost and fixed cost plus profit. But whenever you have to calculate sales required or profit to be earned, desired profit, desired sales, you have to always take contribution. Fixed cost is contribution is equals to fixed cost plus profit. Always you have to use only this formula. If you will use sales minus variable cost, you will not get the answer. Okay, so your PV ratio will be fixed cost. Simply I will put this in PV ratio formula: fixed cost plus profit divided by sales. So we have written the formula of PV ratio. But what we have to calculate? We have to calculate sales required. So whatever you have to calculate, keep that on left hand side. So this will go here. Sales is equals to fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio. So this we have to calculate sales. Okay, and see in question fixed cost is given or not. So you can see in this question fixed cost is not given anywhere. Fixed cost is not given, but we need fixed cost to calculate desired sales. So fixed cost is not given. Another thing, profit, yes, profit is given. Here 2 periods profit is given. Okay, so no need to calculate profit. PV ratio already we have calculated here. Okay, so what we need to calculate? Only fixed cost. So now we will calculate the fixed cost. First of all, we will calculate the fixed cost. Then only we can calculate sales required. Okay, so right here, calculation of fixed cost. So how you will calculate the fixed cost? So whenever you have to calculate the fixed cost, you have to apply marginal costing techniques equation. Okay, so we will apply this equation: sales minus variable cost is equals to fixed cost plus profit. Apply. This is the marginal costing equation. It's very important equation. Sales minus variable cost is equals to fixed cost plus profits. So sales first period sales, you can take any period sales. Okay, here 2 period sales is given. So if you are taking first period sales, then you have to take your profit also first period's profit, and even variable cost should also be first period's variable cost. Everything should be first periods if you have selected first period to take. Okay, so sales is how much? You can see sales is 10 lakhs. So right here 10 lakhs. What we are calculating? We are calculating fixed cost. 10 lakhs. In question, variable cost is not given. But what I have told you, if PV ratio is 20%, then remaining 80% will be variable cost. Yes. So 80% of what? 80% of sales will be your variable cost. Okay. So 80% of sales means this 10 lakh, sorry, means this 10 lakhs, 80% will be your sales. Okay, so sales 80% is variable cost. Then fixed cost we have to calculate. Okay, and profit for the first period is how much? 1 lakh. So take 1 lakh profit. 1 lakh profit. Okay, now we will solve this. You will get the fixed cost. We will get the fixed cost. Okay, simply 0 0 will get cancelled. Okay, 10 lakhs minus 80,000 is equals to fixed cost plus 1 lakh. Okay, 10 lakhs minus 80,000. Actually, this is not 80,000. Here there is one more zero. One more zero. Okay, so here it is 8 lakhs. Okay, it is 8 lakhs. Okay, so 10 lakhs minus 8 lakh. Here it will come 2 lakhs is equals to fixed cost plus 1 lakh. 1 lakhs. So you will get the fixed cost. Now you will get the fixed cost rupees 1 lakhs. 1 lakhs. Okay, so if you will take period 1, then also you will get the fixed cost rupees 1 lakh. And if you are taking period 2nd, then only you will, if you, instead of taking sales and profit of period first period, if you take 2nd period sales and profit, then also you will get the same fixed cost of rupees 1 lakh. So you can try with 2nd period also. So now we will verify with by taking 2nd period's sales and profit. Okay, so right here period 2nd, period 2nd, same marginal costing techniques formula, equation, variable cost, fixed cost plus profit. So sales is, for now we are taking the 2nd period sales. So 2nd period sales is 12 lakh and profit is 1,40,000. Okay, so sales 12 lakhs. Variable cost, again the variable cost is how much? If PV ratio is 20%, then 80% of the sales is your variable cost. Fixed cost we have to calculate, and profit for the 2nd period is 1,40,000. So write that 1,40,000 here. Okay, so solve it. 0 0 will get cancelled. Is 12 lakhs. 80 into 12, 96, and remaining zeros. 1. Okay, so answer is 9,60,000. Fixed cost we have to calculate, and profit is rupees 1,40,000. So 12 lakh minus 9,60,000, you will get rupees 2,40,000 here. $1,40,000. So your fixed cost will be 2,40,000 minus 1,40,000. Okay, this will come here this side, so it will get minus. So your fixed cost is 1 lakh. तो कौन सा कोई भी पीरियड लो, 2nd पीरियड ले रहे हो तो सेल्स भी 2nd पीरियड का, वेरिएबल कॉस्ट भी 2nd पीरियड का, फिक्स कॉस्ट 1 लाख ही आएगा, प्रॉफिट भी 2nd पीरियड का ही लेना है. और अगर पीरियड 1 फर्स्ट पीरियड ले रहे हैं, यहाँ पे पीरियड 1 लिया था हमने, फर्स्ट पीरियड लिया था, फर्स्ट पीरियड ले रहे हो तो सेल्स भी फर्स्ट पीरियड का लेना है, वेरिएबल कॉस्ट भी फर्स्ट पीरियड का लेना है, प्रॉफिट भी फर्स्ट पीरियड का लेना है, तो भी तुम्हारा फिक्स कॉस्ट जो है वो 1 लाख ही आएगा. Okay, usually in such questions, wherever 2 years sales and profits are given, in this type of question always you have to calculate fixed cost. And how you will calculate fixed cost? You will calculate fixed cost by using marginal costing equation. Okay, so now you got the fixed cost. Okay, you got the fixed cost, so you can easily calculate desired sale. So we are going to calculate desired sales now. Okay, you can see we had written the formula here. Sales we have to calculate, fixed cost just we got 1 lakh. Okay, and profit is given here 3 lakhs. Okay, and PV ratio we have calculated 20%. So just in this formula, put the figures. Fixed cost 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh. No need to write down the formula again if you have written it once. The profit is how much? 3 lakhs. Profit is 3 lakhs, yes. Yes, and PV ratio is 20%. 20%. You solve it, you will get the desired sales. Okay, so 1 lakh plus 3 lakh, 4 lakh rupees, 4 lakhs. Okay. And as I told you, if the denominator is in percentage, then while solving you have to multiply 100 with the numerator. Okay, and 20 will remain in denominator. So here if you will solve it, okay, 4 5 is 20 and remaining zeros. Here 1, 20 lakhs. The answers will be 20 lakhs. So if you will sales the product of rupees 20 lakhs, then you will earn the profit of rupees 3 lakhs. If your sale is 20 lakhs, then only you can earn the profit of rupees 3 lakhs. Okay.